Okay, in this video I'm going to do number 9 and 11, 4.2 worksheet systems of equations. In card number 9, we have a y already isolated, so this is nice because we can just use substitution, plug the 3x in where we see y here. So if I rewrite the second equation and substitute in place of the y, I'm going to substitute 3x. Then I have an equation with just x that I can solve. So I have 12x minus 12x equals 32. So what happens here is that 12x minus 12x, that actually becomes 0. 0 equals 32. That doesn't make any sense. 0 is never equal to 32. That means that no matter what x and y are equal to, these two equations will never intersect. In that case, we just state that there is no solution to the problem. All right, moving on to card number 11. We have a fraction here. If you want to get rid of the fraction, multiply this whole equation by a number that would get rid of this 1/6. If we multiply by 6, we need to make sure we multiply both sides of the equation by 6. This equation becomes 6x plus 6 times 1/6 is just 1. Okay, and 6 times 2 is 12. So notice what happens here when we rewrote this equation. We ended up getting the exact same equation that we had for the first equation. If you were trying to solve this by elimination, you would want to get rid of either the x or the y. So if we multiplied by -1 on this equation, my new system becomes -6x minus 1y equals -12. I'm going to rewrite the second equation as is. And if you combine these, not only do the y's cancel out, but the x's also cancel out. I have 0 plus 0 equals 0. As opposed to number 9, where we got 0 is equal to 32, and that was not a true statement. 0 equals 0, this is always a true statement. 0 is always equal to 0. What that means is that no matter what x and y are equal to, these two equations will always intersect. We say that this system of equations has infinite solutions because really what's happening is you have two lines that are the exact same line, so they're overlapping each other.